Did you know that God once commanded Moses to make a bronze snake to save people's lives? In the wilderness, the Israelites complained bitterly against God and Moses. They were tired of their journey and angry about their food. So God sent poisonous snakes among them as punishment. These deadly serpents bit many people, and they began to die from the venom. The people cried out in terror and begged Moses to pray for them. They admitted they had sinned by speaking against God. Moses prayed, and God gave him a strange solution. He told Moses to make a bronze serpent and put it on a tall pole. Anyone who was bitten could look at the bronze snake and live. It sounds impossible, but it worked perfectly. Just by looking up at the bronze serpent with faith, people were instantly healed from deadly snake bites. Thousands were saved through this simple act of belief. Centuries later, Jesus compared himself to this bronze serpent, saying that just as Moses lifted it up, he too would be lifted up on the cross to give eternal life to all who believe.